Hello, today I want to show you where is the best place to share your game with your teammate and friends privately or even with game developer community in a public way to receive feedback from professional during your production. In the beginning, I used to share my game APK through Dropbox, Telegram, or even Google Drive. But later, I got to know each. Through each, I can share my game privately or publicly, and it's a simple way to find, download, and distribute indie game online. Let's see how to do it together. Imagine part of your game is completed and you want to share it with your friends, teammate, or even with a game developer community to receive feedback. To do so, I believe sharing the WebGL build is the best way because in this way they don't need to install your game and they can play it online. To do so, you need to be sure the WebGL support, build support is installed. I did it before and you should do it if it's not done before. When you have installed WebGL, you're gonna have this WebGL icon here and you can build and run your game. To do so, you need to disable compression format and also use deterministic compilation off. Okay, great. We need wait. Now we can build and run the game. We can save it in our desktop. Build was successful and we will have our game. Great. It's our desktop folder and this folder contains the WebGL build of the game. To upload it, we need to compress it and create the zip from it. You need to register in itch.io website. And it's not difficult. I did it before, and you need to create your profile there and, for example, introduce yourself, put your photo and write your name, and little by little you can upload each game you will create. To upload our game here, we need go to dashboard and create new project. The title could be yellow flower and we need to put the price 0 because it's for test. And here we can upload the file. We can add more details about the project here and choose the genre. Even we can link here to the different store like Steam, App Store, Google Play, and the visibility and access. Our draft is for all the member of this project. It could be restricted, and through choosing this one you can have the link for here and share it with your friend, and it will be private. And by choosing public, everyone who come to your profile can see this game and play it. We need to wait. Uploading is done completely, and here also we need to choose the HTML format for this because our file is HTML. And first we can go with restricted section, and we can put password. For example, this password is good. Let's save it and view the page. Great. You see, parts of our game is not here, and we need to extend the height of the window. We can do it here. For example, we can select 500. Good, now everything is inside the window. By providing this link, everyone can see our game. They need to provide the password and play our game in their system like this. And as you see, now this game is not in my profile because it's privately shared. But we can also share it public by choosing the last option and save it and view the page. And now in my profile, you will have it. I need to choose a photo for that. And you can play it. That's what I wanted to share with you, and I hope you enjoy it and help you to share your game in a proper way with your teammate, your friend, and even with a professional. Have a great day.